Good afternoon, everyone, and I hope you're all having a great time. In advertising, as we all know, that change is the only constant. So I want to take this time to actually discuss about commerce media and its role in the evolution of AdTech. I want to start off with a video, and if you can please play it.
Thanks, yeah?
Wait! Before you click that, I'm you from 20 years in the future. Wait! Don't listen to her. I'm you from even further in the future. Stop! I'm you from 400 years in the future. I have a message also. Me too. I have a message. Just check your message. I know the future.
Everyone will try to tell you what the future holds.
Macchiato!
Criteo is creating an open internet where you can choose what's best for you. And future you.
20 years in the future.
So when everyone is actually trying to suggest you strategies and telling you what the future beholds for you, we at Criteo believe that the future is wide open for all of you to explore. We are working on building an open internet that enables discovery, innovation, and choice by powering you with the world's largest set of commerce data. Now, what is it that brands look forward to today? They want to connect with the right customers and at scale. They want to engage the customers and build loyalty with them. In doing so, they want to ensure that they are both cost and resource efficient and stay ahead of trends and competition. Introducing commerce media to you. Now, what is commerce media? Commerce media connects marketers and owners to first-party media network and to each other in order to build richer experiences for consumers. It is based on shopper data. So it does not use searches or likes. It is based on actual intent to buy or the shopping behavior of people. It uses an AI that is strong enough to understand the right customers and deliver the right message to them at the right place, at the right time. It is full funnel because we are able to help right from discovery through to purchase. And lastly, it is measurable, which means that everything that you run can be tied back to your KPIs. And all of it is done on the open internet, which ensures great transparency and control. Well, Criteo creates a platform and a suite of products that actually, with the help of first-party media network, it acts as both a DSP and an SSP, enabling everyone. For marketers, they're able to deliver efficient advertising across the board throughout the user journey. For media owners, they're able to monetize their audiences and data effectively. And for consumers, they get better shopping experience and are able to access high-quality digital content. Now, when we talk of scale, what is it that we're actually talking about? We're talking about globally 2.5 billion users in our shopper ID graph who we are able to map. And this leads to about $2 billion transactions daily across 4 billion products. Closer home in India, our shopper graph is over 250 million shoppers. And this is constantly evolving. Like as of today, when I checked, this had already reached 258 million. So this is constantly refreshed and evolving. We also have 1,000+ targetable categories and brands for you to choose from. And we use levers, some of which are unique to us and some of which you'll find in the market. We are present at every step of the customer journey. And we do not just know your customers. We know who your best customers are and what is going to excite them to make that final purchase. We help you get noticed through brand awareness using our video and display ads to build consideration and drive new user acquisition, either on web or on app. And finally, something that everyone has always known us for, which is driving conversion and retention, and able to get that user back and build loyalty with them. Ultimately, all of this leads to a great customer lifetime value. Now, since most people have already known Criteo for a very long time for performance marketing, I actually want to focus on what only some of you know here, which is video. How we help inspire purchases with Criteo's video advertising. So here are the things that we actually help you with. Firstly, we're able to identify unique audiences, and as I said before, these are based on commerce data. These are based on what people are actually buying and browsing, using our first and third party targeting capabilities, and this is the audience that you're able to target. Now, because we have a large publisher system that we're tied up with, you're able to serve to these users on everything from OTT, in-stream, out-stream, CTV, and all of this ensures that you're maximizing your reach at the frequency that you want. Why? Because when you go to individual platforms, they will not provide you a unified reach. And you can end up overexposing or underexposing your ads to users. At Criteo, you're able to maximize your reach at that frequency that you want. If you run display campaigns with us post that, you're actually able to see the entire user journey of what the user did beyond just the video view. And of course, this is all managed through our in-house team with their managed service. So basically, we help to make every moment shoppable. As I said, right from discovering the right users or building consideration by following up your video with, let's say, another video, inspiring purchase by following it up with display campaigns, and ultimately bringing your users back. To talk to you about a specific case study last year that we did with Clinique, which is a premium cosmetics brand. Now, Clinique wanted to launch their new product, which was a hydrating serum, in the market, and they wanted to understand what's the right kind of audience to go after. So we chose a niche audience, which was cosmetic buyers, who are buying products in the premium range, because we have a filter which is specific to us, which is based on the pricing of products. And then also, we chose a broader category, which is for people who have high and very high purchasing power. So with a combination of this, they were actually able to reach 7 million impressions across 2 million users who are high intent, high-end shoppers, with a view-through rate of over 81%. All of this was delivered on top OTTs of India. We actually, to build consideration, we followed it up by a 6-seconder also, which was for people who had actually not clicked on the video. And lastly, I want to talk about the buzzword in today's times, which is monetization. Now, I think all brands have either they're thinking about monetization, or they're building a monetization as a stream for them, or have already built. So wherever in the journey you are, Criteo can actually partner with you to help you monetize better. If you are in the stage where you've basically not build an online ad stack for yourself to monetize your app or your website, then we can help with our on-site solution, which helps to seamlessly place ads on your properties and thereby driving revenue for you. But if you're someone who's actually developed an on-site ad stack already, then we're able to take this on the open internet and extend your reach there. This is available for both brands and for sellers. More specifically, I want to talk about a strategic partnership that we did with Flipkart this year, bringing together the two giants, Flipkart and Criteo, who brought together their respective strengths. So Flipkart obviously has a huge scale of about 400 million plus registered users and 150 million products. Criteo's strong AI, DCO plus technology on the creative front, and strong publisher partnership with 1,000 plus publishers. We got together and we decided that we will take this to every marketer to ensure that they're able to get the right value for what they're looking at and drive everything from awareness to purchase. And they're actually able to see what is the last mile delivered to them, because these users are all driven back for purchase to either Flipkart or to the brand site, giving you a full funnel measurement. And I want to end with what I started with. The future is wide open, and we're here to partner with you. Happy to answer any questions.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Medhavi. I'm going to be also requesting our members of the audience to connect with you and your team offline for any further questions. But thank you for sharing your presentation. Thank you once again.
Thank you.